Hello everybody, welcome to my game. So first, we got my game that I would love to share with you guys. So I'm just going to click right here on dashboard. And I'm going to show you my game. It's called Static Jumper. I might change the name, I don't know about it yet. So I'm just going to click it. And it's going to say this is a 2D platformer game. Updates at least weekly. Feel free to comment with your feedback on the game, bugs you want me to fix, or anything you want me to add to the game. Thank you for downloading my game. Okay, so here's the install instructions. So we're going to install it and show you how. So guys, if you want to code to it, just go to it, and it's called Static Jumper. And download, and it might say not commonly downloaded, but just press done. Okay, I'm going to go through this step by step for you guys, and just please, I wish you, please support me on this. So you can search this URL up right here. I think it'll work. I'll just link my game down below. So, or just go on to itch.io and search Static Jumper. So I'm going to download it right here, and I've already downloaded it. So I'm just going to go ahead and delete this one. Okay. So we got it right here, 2D game, and it's going to go like this, and it's going to say 2D game. It might say this is not commonly downloaded. So make sure you trust it. What you're going to do is you're going to go ... and keep. And you can also, you can also report this file as safe. It is safe. Keep. And then it's going to say to delete it. Don't delete it. Go to show more. Keep anyway. And you're just going to wait for it to download. You can go all the way down and back up, because usually that's what it fix it. And then it has like a little lag spike, and then you're going to want to go back up, and there it is. Okay. So, now, you can just wait for it. So it's going to say this. Windows protected your PC. Windows Smart Screen prevented an unorganized app. It just means that it doesn't have a publisher, or like it doesn't know the publisher well. So you just press more info and run anyway, because it has an unknown publisher, and it's a direct download to my game. That's the other reason. Okay, so installing. Please say this. It's just gonna have the default GDevelop right here. I might change that. I don't know if I can, but yeah. So it's just gonna keep going. Yep. Okay, it's opening now. You're just gonna wait momentarily. So boom, and made with GDevelop. Boom. So how to play? Yep. You guys can read it. This if you watch my devlog, you'll know. And I'm just gonna spoil one for you. I also added a health bar since the last devlog. I think, yeah. So now you don't instantly die. I might adjust it on level 1 because it's very easy. Because it's really hard to die. But yeah. Ooh, that was cutting it close. My health bar is like legit gone, guys. So yeah, I'm just playing my game a little bit. You'll need this many coins to win, and I'm just gonna show you that you can die. It's just the health bar is a little bit, you know, not the greatest now. So if you even go close to him now, it's gonna say you died.